Okay. So here we've got two mirrors, and I'm just going to draw the figure. And they make an angle theta. And then we've got our rays, which come in and bounce out and bounce around. And we're asked to show that this angle beta is equal to 180 minus 2 theta. Okay, so the way to do this is to look at these angles here, and I'm just going to call this A. And now for a reflective surface, our angle in is equal to our angle out. So that means that those are both A there. And if I call that B, then that's also B there. So that means that that whole thing is 2B and that whole thing is 2A. But the biggest thing that's going to help here is that that's a right angle, and that's a right angle. And remember that the sum of angles inside a triangle is 180. So that means that this angle here, I'm going to call it, this angle here is just 90 minus B. And this angle here is 90 minus A. And that means that theta plus 90 minus B plus 90 minus A is equal to 180. Okay? And then this angle is beta, but also this angle in here is beta, as they're similar triangles or similar angles. And so if we look at the angles in this triangle over here, so this is just looking at this triangle. So now if we look at the angles inside this one, then we've got 2A plus 2B plus beta equals 180. So we can solve this for A plus B by saying that A plus B is equal to beta, is equal to 180 minus beta over 2. And then if we look at this equation, we can solve this for A plus B by saying that minus A plus B is equal to 180 minus 180 minus theta, which is equal to just minus theta. So then A plus B is equal to theta. And so then we basically have the solution here. So theta is equal to 180 minus beta over 2 from this expression. Multiply by 2. So then 2 theta is 180 minus beta. Rearranging, beta is 180 minus 2 theta. And then there's our solution. Okay, so that looks pretty good. If we scroll down, so we can grab the angles up here. So they solve for gamma, which is this angle up here. Show that it was 90 minus, or that this angle in here is 90 minus gamma. So they basically are moving around the triangle. So this is a slightly different method that I use, but I think it should be fine. And solve for epsilon, but then epsilon and beta are the same, and it's 180 minus 2 theta. So that looks good. Okay.